Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how to braid African threading hairstyle. If you like what you see or like this type of content, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. I will be using a Brazilian wool, only 2 strands. I will then create hair ends by slightly pulling the hair at the end. So I created triangular sections instead of square patterns, and this is how I did it. To start braiding, I placed the Brazilian wool next to the roots. Please note that I braided the natural hair first using the 3-strand method, the one that is used for box braids, and then I will wrap the Brazilian wool around the hair, making sure that I do not leave any spaces. When I reach the point where the wrapped part reaches the next section, I will then tie using the Brazilian wool to secure. And please note that I do not use the whole strand, I just take a small piece and then just tie to secure. On the second triangle, I divide it by 2, then place the previous braid in the middle. Please note that I combine all the natural hair together, then use the same Brazilian wool strand to wrap, and when I'm done, I will tie using the wool, just like I did on the first braid. So it is important not to over braid, otherwise it will be difficult to combine the natural hair all together, or the hairstyle won't appear the way it has to. I will then continue to do the same method until I reach the last triangle. After braiding all the hair, I combined the excess hair at the back, and then after combining the hair, I put the afro hair extensions. So to see how I made the afro extensions, please click on the above link for a detailed tutorial. So this is the hair extension I was talking about. You can click on the link above to see the tutorial of how I did it. I did it from scratch, and then as you can see, it's very versatile. So you can use it on many hairstyles or just your natural hair only. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment, and also share if you can. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.